Your code might work, but your habits? Still screaming beginner. Let's fix these 5 common mistakes every new coder makes. If this video helps you even a little, don't forget to like and subscribe to Amicatis for more coding tips, beginner-friendly content, and for coding journey. Hey everyone, welcome back to Amicatis. Today, I'm talking about 5 real mistakes beginners make not just in their code, but in the way they learn, build, and grow as developers. Mistake number 1. Using random or short variable names. Using names like x, temp, or data1 might save you seconds now but will cost you hours later. Fix it! Use simple and clear names like email punt, iLoading, or product list. Good names help you code faster. There's understand. Mistake number 2. Learning from too many places at once. One day you're on YouTube. Next day it's a blog, then a Udemy course. Then switching to a new language because someone said it's better. Fix it! Stick to one resource, one language, and one clear path. Deep learning beats jumping around. Less confusion, more results. Mistake number 3. Writing long and messy if-else ladders. If your code is full of nested if-else statement becomes hard to read and debug. Fix it! Use early return, switch cases, or look up objects when possible. It makes your code cleaner and easier to maintain. Mistake number 4. Waiting too long to build something. Many learners just watch tutorials but never build a real project. They keep thinking, I'll build something once I'm ready. Fix it! Start small, even a basic to-do app or calculator. Projects help you apply what you've learned. Grow faster by doing, not just watching. Mistake number 5. Trying to be perfect from day one. Many beginners feel like their code must be perfect before they share it, post it, or ask for feedback. Fix it! Forget perfection. Focus on progress. Make mistakes, ask questions, share your work. That's how real learning happens.